Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Pirate Ship for label creation and batch orders, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate Pirate Ship for label creation and batch orders, start by visiting the Pirate Ship website. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button. Fill in the required information to create your new account. Once registered, log in to your Pirate Ship account. On the dashboard, locate the Settings option in the navigation menu. Click on Settings to access account configuration. In the Settings menu, find the Shipping Options tab. Select the Shipping Options tab to configure your shipping preferences. Next, you'll want to link your carrier accounts for label creation. Locate the option that says Connect your carriers. Follow the prompts to connect your preferred shipping carriers. After connecting, proceed to the Packages section in the dashboard. Add package details such as weight and dimensions. Once your package settings are saved, navigate to the Bulk Shipping section. In the Bulk Shipping area, you can manage your batch orders. Select the orders you want to ship using the checkboxes. Click on Create Labels to initiate the label creation process. Review the shipping details for accuracy. Finalize your label creation by clicking Print Labels. Ensure you have a printer set up for printing. After printing, you can prepare your packages for shipment. Make sure to affix the labels securely to each package. Your Pirate Ship account is now set up for efficient label creation and batch orders. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.